step by step how to do this eyeliner. So my first tip is take a mirror. I just use one for my powders. This tip makes it so much easier to create super thin eyeliners or make it even thicker. You can use it as like, you know, take it out much, or you just use it as a thin line just behind your eyelashes and you don't even take it out. It looks so good. But I think I want to show you guys how to make a little bit of a wing. And since I have a little bit of a hooded eye, I'm going to show you how to apply and that you can still see the eyeliner, because I think sometimes people, they look like this and they put it on and they think, oh, perfect. And then they look straight into the mirror and it's gone because of the skin. So this is how you do it. You take your mirror and you look straight at yourself. You with me? And then I can see, okay. And I just paint it over the skin. And I will show you, it's gonna be like cracked because of the skin, but it doesn't matter. I'm gonna paint it in. The important thing is that you see the eyeliner when you look straight at people and at yourself. So I'm just looking straight into the mirror. And look at this now. Do you see how cracked it is? That doesn't matter because you can see it perfectly when you look like this. And it's not often that you greet a person like this. But I will even it out. So looking up like this, I can see that it's so cracked, it's so bended. I'm just filling it in a little bit. But as I said, the important thing is that it's perfect when you're looking straight at someone or in the mirror. Continuing, just painting a small line behind my lashes. So this is such a precision. It's so good. I can tell you this much. I've been a professional makeup artist for over 13 years, and this is game changer. This is so good. I'm gonna use this on all my clients. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Yeah, I love it. And did you see how easy it was to put on? Let me put on the other side and show you the end result. So I'm just putting on some final touches. I just love this. This is quite a thin eyeliner look with like an even, but though with an edgy, like, but imagine just taking this thin eyeliner and not doing the wing. That's just the perfect day look. And you can even go thicker if you want to. I though prefer having it a little bit thinner like this, but it's all up for how you want to personalize it. It's just such an easy way, such an easy eyeliner to use. I'm going to show you a trick. As a cleanup, if you want to, you can use a little bit of concealer. I just use serum concealer in medium, and I just take a little thin brush, and then you can go about like this. Just clean it up a little bit if you just need a little extra sharpen, and also just bringing that tip. This is a cat eye.